Hello friends, welcome to Show Me's World. Today I will be making a super quick and easy Thai recipe, the Thai basil shrimp and egg stir fry. This recipe is so quick and amazing, and if you all love Thai food, this is the ultimate recipe for you. You all are going to love it and you are in the right place. The shrimp with the egg and the Thai sauces together with the fresh basil flavors is so delicious. So quickly, before watching this recipe, please don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. So let's quickly get started. At first, to make the sauce mix, adding 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili oil, half a tablespoon of black pepper powder. If you want, you can add more to it, and half a teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to mix the sauces well together and keep it aside. Now, the next step is marination of the shrimp. I'm using your medium-sized shrimp and adding in salt as per your taste and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. I'm going to keep this marination for minimum of 5 to 10 minutes. To make the stir fry, in a hot wok in medium flame, adding in oil for cooking, then adding in the chopped garlic, the Thai chilies. You can of course add more chilies if you want more heat to it. Tossing these for a few seconds, turning the flame into high and adding in the marinated shrimp. I'm tossing up the marinated shrimp for a couple of minutes. Adding in the chopped green onions, the red bell peppers, and lots of basil. Stir frying in high flame for a couple of minutes. Now is the fun part. On one side of the wok, I am cracking up 2 eggs, and then I'm going to mix everything well together, the vegetables, shrimp and the egg on high flame. So I always prefer adding up the eggs on the same wok and not frying it up separately because it saves a lot of time and it's so quick. You always want to make stir fries which are quick and easy, isn't it? Pouring in the sauce mix, giving everything a good stir so that everything mixes well together. I'm going to stir fry this for a couple of seconds because I don't want to lose the lovely flavors of the fresh basil. Adding in salt as per my taste. Please note that the sauces, they already have salt in it. Giving it all a final toss, it's then ready to serve. Isn't it so quick? As you can see here, the recipe is really unique, isn't it? Because the shrimp is actually being cooked with the egg together with the basil. The sauce mix is so unique and gives a super delicious flavor. Adding up a slice of lime into it and going to squeeze it just before eating up. I just can't wait to try this yummy recipe. This smells so nice. Oh my goodness, this tastes so amazing. Try this recipe with white rice or fried rice and do comment below to let me know how did you find this recipe. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. See you soon. Bye bye.